AlphaRex specializes in designing and producing superior and uniquely stylish aftermarket automotive performance lighting with unrivaled innovative technology. Watch this video as we take you through the installation of your new AlphaRex headlights for your 2014 to 2019 Toyota Tundra, step by step. Prepare these tools for your installation. Whenever working on your vehicle, always start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove the 4 10mm bolts on the top of the grille, followed by the 2 plastic clips at the corners of the grille. Now that it's free, remove the grille from the truck and set it aside to be reinstalled later. Next, remove the 2 10mm bolts inside the wheel well. Then remove the clip located on the inside of the trim piece. Once the bolts and clip are removed, carefully remove the trim piece and set it aside to be reinstalled later. The headlight is secured with 3 10mm bolts. Lift up on the 2 top arms and remove the headlight from the truck. Unplug the side marker, headlight, leveling, and turn signal harness from the headlight. Use the clip remover to release the wiring harness from the headlight. Remove the side marker socket and bulb followed by the turn signal socket and set it aside. It's time to connect the daytime running light harness with the red wire to the battery positive and the black wire to the battery negative or to the 10mm bolt of the fender grounding cable. In order for the daytime running lights to function during the day, remove the fuse box cover and locate the IGN fuse and add it to the fuse tap. Crimp the gray wire from the harness to the fuse tap and reinstall the fuse box cover. Plug the side marker socket into the black connector and reinstall the turn signal socket and bulb onto the AlphaRex headlight. Connect the truck's low-high beam, leveling motor, and turn signal harnesses to the AlphaRex headlight. Attach the harness to the daytime running light connection on the back of the headlight. Reattach the headlight wiring harness onto the AlphaRex headlight. Finish the installation by securing the headlight to the truck. Repeat the previous steps for the opposite side headlight for removal and installation. Follow the previous instructions to reinstall your factory trim and grille. Test the functions of your AlphaRex headlights to ensure everything works properly. Once everything has been tested, aim your AlphaRex headlights by parking 25 feet from a wall and level the headlight beams evenly. Turn clockwise to lower the light, counterclockwise to raise the light. Now you are ready to use and enjoy your AlphaRex headlights and enjoy the new look and improved night driving of your 2014 to 2019 Toyota Tundra. Visit AlphaRexUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.